Hello my friends, let's hope you are doing great. Now we have a question to show that the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus 2 times cosine of 8x, and this is equal to 2 cosine x. Let's now do this question together. Okay, to do this, let's start from the fundamental trigonometric equation, which is cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta, which is 1. And we know that cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Okay, now let's write this: cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta, which is 1, and write this: cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, which is equal to this cosine of 2 theta. Summing these two equations, you see this and this have two different signs. That's why they will vanish to 0. This is 0. This plus this is 2 times cosine squared of theta, and this is 1 plus cosine 2 theta. Okay, here is clear that this angle is a double of this. Okay, since here we have 2 8x, it is the same as having 8x is the same as 2 times 4x. Okay, yeah. Now let's factorize these two. We have the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2. Let's factorize these two. We have 1 plus cosine of 8x. Okay, and this is, you see, this is 1 plus cosine of 8x. Here is 1 plus cosine of 2 theta. That is to say our theta is 4x here. Now we have the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 times this, because our theta is 4x here, theta is 4x. We'll take 4x here. This is cosine squared. Okay, here is 2 times cosine squared of 4x. Okay, now this times this is 4x squared. Here is, we have the square root 2 plus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 4 times cosine squared of 4x. Okay, let's now continue here. This, the square root of 4 cosine squared of 4x is 2 times the cosine of 4x. Now this is going to replace this. We have the square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 plus, since this is 2 times cosine 4x, now it's 2 times cosine of 4x. Okay, what is going to be done here is again to factorize these two. We have the square root 2 plus the square root 2 into 1 plus cosine of 4x. This is clear that according to this formula, our theta here our theta is 2x. Okay, now we have the square root 2 plus the square root of 2 times, since we have 1 plus cosine of 4x, this is to say this is the same as 2 times cosine squared of 2x. okay, according to this formula here. Here we multiply 2 times cosine squared of 2x. This is equal to the square root of 2 plus the square root of 4 times cosine or squared of 2x. Now, the square root of 4 times cosine squared of 2x is equal to 2 times cosine of 2x. Now, we have 2 times cosine 2x. This is the same as the square root of, we have 2 plus 2 times cosine of 2x. Factorizing it again by 2, we have 1 plus cosine 2x. And you see here, because this is a double angle, it's a double angle of x. That's why our theta here will be x. And 1 plus cosine 2x is equal to 2 times cosine squared of x according to this one. Now, this is the square root of 2 times cosine squared x, which is the square root of 4 times cosine squared x. This is clear that the square root of 4, that is 2, and the square root of this, the square of cosine x is cosine x. Now, this is the proof. Thank you very much for watching. May God be with you, my friend.